How would you like to have a predictable, consistent, passive income na pumapasok sa account mo? So just imagine for a second na every quarter may dumadating na pera sa account mo. So yun yung good news. Not only receiving quarterly consistent dividend is 100% possible, this is already done by people just like you every single day. So kung you're watching this tapos nag-iisip ka if bibili ka ng REIT or nagde-decide ka if mag-aaral ka ba muna ng trading or mag-i-invest ka na sa REIT kahit maliit pa lang ang kapital mo, or nag-isip ka if pag-iipon ka ba muna ng kapital, or siguro nagde-decide ka between REIT, blue chip stocks, or mutual fund, then this video I will give you 3 reasons why you should buy REITs. The first reason is consistent cash flow, yung meron kang natatanggap na dividends. Most of them are paying it out quarterly. At bakit siya iba, or why is it different from other asset classes like stocks? And the reason is that it is mandated by the law. So tingnan nyo to. So this is Republic Act number 9856. And under Section 7, dividend distribution, it says here that a REIT must distribute annually at least 90% of its distributable income as dividends to its shareholders, not later than the last day of the 5th month following the close of the fiscal tenure of the REIT. And right here also makikita nyo yung mga example ng REITs and yung mga months na nagbigay sila in a year. So makikita nyo, every quarter, almost every quarter, nagbibigay sila ng dividends. So balik tayo dun sa Republic Act. Tapos sabi din dito, the percentage of dividends received by the public shareholders, tayo yon, to the total dividends distributed by the REIT from out of its distributable income must not be less than such percentage of their aggregate ownership of the total outstanding shares of the REIT. So meaning, hindi naman siya porke 90% of their income, parang wala nang natira sa kanila. So this is how it works. For for normal stocks na nakikita nyo like PLDT or Globe, they are not mandated to give you dividends. Di sila obligado na bigyan ka. Like, especially when times are hard for the company or gusto nilang gamitin yung income nila to expand, or they just want to store up cash, they can easily slash the dividends. Pwede silang hindi mag-declare na bigyan ka. So that's the first reason why you should buy REIT. If you want to read through all the sections and the articles sa revised implementing rules of the regulations of Republic Act 9856 of the Real Estate Investment Act, you can go ahead and scan this QR code, and let's get into the second reason why you should invest in REIT. The second reason why you should invest in REIT is because of capital gain. Capital gain is an investing term wherein bumili ka ng asset class ngayon or you buy something now, sa price now, expecting it na aakyat yung presyo in the future, and that's how you gain money or that's how you profit. Right now, all the REIT looks unattractive, and it's because of the effect of US inflation, US interest rates, recession, inflation, mga ganyan. So as you can see, these are the charts of the REIT. So these are the current prices as of this videos. As you can see, they don't look attractive right now. But what we do know is that the property price will increase. So right now, it may look unattractive, pero think about that the property price will increase. Diba? Yung mga presyo ng lupa ng mga property, tumataas siya talaga over a period of time. And then rental income will increase. Blessed yung mga tao na may mabubuting landlord and landlady na hindi nagtataas na ng renta. Pero for some, talagang nagtataas ng rental rate. So the rental income also increases for these REITs. And the charts that I showed you, remember that wala naman kasing makakapredict on how low or how long na mababa yung REIT prices, even if we use technical analysis. Kahit sobrang galing mo sa chart, nobody really can predict how long it can go eh. We can only look at kung ano yung current trend niya. And maybe right now, it's currently downtrend and sideways. But the lower it gets, the more you can stack up shares. Pwede kang magdagdag sa mga favorite mo na REIT. And that's the second reason why you should buy a REIT, because over a period of time, especially if maganda yung REIT na pinag-investan mo, the property prices will increase and then the rental income will increase, giving you more dividends. And that brings me to the third reason why you should invest in REIT and why you can stack up more shares and you can buy more shares on your favorite REIT is because of the asset growth. Maraming REIT kayo na magaganda na nag-increase talaga siya over a period of time or from the date it was listed or it became public. I will give you 2 examples. So the first one here is RCR or Robinson's Land REIT. Ito yung initial nila na IPO listing. Meron silang 14 assets when they listed in 2021. And if we compare it here, dito sa press release nila noong February 2023, that RCR has a total of 16 assets na. So as you can see, nag-grow talaga siya. And then this one naman is C-REIT or City Core. When they listed 2022, they only have this. Ito yung mga nasa taas. Clark, Armenia, Silay, and Dalaya. And acquired in 2022, nadagdagan na siya ng Bulacan Property and South Cotabato Property. So you may want to look at REITs na nadadagdagan yung assets since its listing date. Kasi the more valuable it becomes, the higher the dividends. Yung, syempre, gusto natin lumalaki yung mga pinaparentahan niya, dumadami yung mga assets niya because for us, mas pwedeng lumaki yung mga dividends na makukuha natin. And financial experts would always say that when times are uncertain, dun ka mag-invest eh. Yung hindi ka sure, dun ka daw mag-invest. Which, if you think about it, doesn't make sense, di ba? Bakit ka bibili into something na bumababa in price? But this is something that you need to think about. Remember that there is a difference between price and value. So recap lang tayo sa 3 reasons why you should invest in REITs. Number 1 is that it gives out consistent cash flow through dividends. Number 2 is that you can also earn through capital gains or kapag ka tumaas na yung presyo ng mga binili mong REIT. And number 3 is because it's still early in the REIT game and they are still growing, they are still acquiring more assets. And when they acquire more assets, we get to receive more dividends as investors. And think about it, in the end, yung mga nag-invest into studying, yung mga may extra capital to invest, at yung mga may full of conviction sa mga asset classes na hawak nila, sila yung mga may edge at may less na fear when it comes to investing. At kung gusto mo pang malaman at gusto mo pang mag-aral about REIT investing, then I'm sure you would like my REIT playlist. So make sure you check that out. And if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. There are also links in the description where I can help you in 3 ways. So go ahead and check that and I will see you on the next one. God bless po!